Hi, my name is Nozomi and I work as Mechanical and Systems Engineer at Dcubed. My favorite thing about working in Dcubed is that it's very dynamic. We see the whole process of a project, so from development and research all the way through assembly integration, and it's never boring, which is fun. Dcubed is a little bit smaller than most companies I've worked for, but that also means that we're all very close. We work very closely together, which is nice. You know everyone, and we're just a very fun team, I think. I work mostly on projects or products with booms, so with the tape springs. And I do anything from research and development to assembly and integration. I think the social aspect in Dcubed is really great because we have these great projects where you do everything, and then you have a great team as well. And outside of working hours, we also have events like Christmas party, Summerfest, or we go do sports together, a space bar every Friday, which is also nice.